In this portion of the video, we are going to be making the dough colored clay. So you're going to take a piece of beige clay, however much you need. I just did a small piece for the video. Then you're going to take a smaller piece of translucent, put it together, mix them, and if you want, you can roll it around in like a snake form until the colors are perfectly blended together. So after mixing a little bit of translucent clay with the beige, I am taking little pieces, rolling them into a ball. Then you're going to put it on your towel or a surface that you're going to bake your clay in. Press down on it a little bit to kind of like flatten it. Smooth out your fingerprints. There we go. And just repeat till you get as many donuts as you want or need. Because if you do not smooth out your fingerprints, they will bake into your clay, so your donuts or whatever you're making will have your little fingerprints in the process. And you really don't want that. So just smooth it out after you flatten it. Now it's time to put holes in the donuts. So you're going to take your dotting tool, place it towards the center of your little circle, press down and do like a little small circular motion like so to create your hole in your donut. After making your holes, you're going to take your dotting tool and glide it across the middle of your donut to create your bake lines. Now we in Shadyville, so this is when things get shady. So you're going to take the brown, just a little bit, not too much, like so. I don't really measure them when I do the shavings of the colorings. I use my X-Acto knife and kind of just like scrape down at an angle, and as you can see, the chalk falls off into the little powdery form. Then now I'm using like this mustardish yellow, and I use a lot of that. Yeah. Then once you have all of your colors shaved off together, you're going to want to mix them. So generally this is how your donuts will look after you have finished mixing your color and shading them in. Depending on how much brown you use will determine the light or darkness of your donuts